In this video, we're going to solve the equation x to the y equals y to the x. We have two other conditions. X and y are both bigger than 0, and x does not equal y, because if x equals y, that's trivial. X to the x equals x to the x, and that would solve itself for any x. We're going to solve for x comma y. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications so you don't miss a video. Okay, let's suppose that y is a function of x, or that, let's say y equals t times x, and what values of t are allowed. So if t is less than 0, that means that y and x are opposite signs, but that doesn't satisfy the condition that x and y are both bigger than 0. So the x and y have to be the same sign, namely positive. So if t equals 1, that would be that y equals x, and that's not allowed. So that means that t has to be bigger than 0, and t does not equal 1. Okay, so that means we have two cases. We have between 0, we have t being between 0 and 1, not including either, and we have the case that t is just bigger than 1. Well, either case, if x is bigger than y, there's another case, because x to the y equals y to the x is symmetric. You can just switch x and y and you get another result. So in our case, let's just suppose t is bigger than 1. So y equals tx. So let's just plug in y into the equation. So we have x to the tx equals y, which is tx all raised to the x. Okay, but we can raise both sides to the 1 over x because x is bigger than 0, so this is allowed. Okay, so we're going to have x to the t, because x cancels, equals t times x. And then the x cancels again. Okay, this is x to the first. We can divide by x because it's not equal to 0. So we have x to the t minus 1 equals t, or that x equals t to the 1 over t minus 1. Because, again, t is bigger than 1, so it works out better. Okay. So now we have this we have x in terms of t. So let's find y in terms of t. So y equals tx. So y equals tx, which is t times x, which is technically a function of t, which is t to the 1 over t minus 1. So this is t to the first. So this is t to the t minus 1 over t minus 1. That's 1 plus 1. Okay. Negative 1 and plus 1 will cancel, leaving us with t to the t over t minus 1. So what we really have is that x comma y is equal to t to the 1 over t minus 1, comma t to the t over t minus 1. But then we have the other result, that we have the reverse, so that would be t to the t over t minus 1, comma t to the 1 over t minus 1, where t is bigger than 1. And that is the end of the video. Hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.